let's see here exercise 10.3. First problem, construct the triangle DEF such that D is equal to 5 cm, DF is equal to 3 cm and measure of angle EDF is equal to 90 degree. So here we are going to use the criterion of SAS. SAS means the side angle side. On either side we have to include the angle. So first we have to draw the side, and after that we have to measure the angle on it. After that we have to complete the other side of the triangle. So first I am just finish my rough sketch of this given question. So DEF and DE is equal to 5 cm and DF is equal to 3 cm and angle. So always the middle letter only is having the angle, that is measure of angle, having the measurement. So middle letter, what is the middle letter? That is D. Okay, so this letter only is always maintaining the angle, measure of angle. So at D it is 90 degree. Okay, so let us move for the main picture. Okay, draw DE with 5 cm. So draw DE with 5 cm. This is a 5 cm and mark the measurement on it, that is D is equal to 5 cm. Okay, so here you have to listen it very carefully. So here in the line segment we are having two sides, one is left side and another one is right side. Left side means that is D as the left side and E as the right side. Okay, so in the productor also we are having yes, can you able to see the productor? Okay, in the productor also you are having two sides, the left side 0 and the right side 0. On either sides you are having zeros. So normally we will get the confusion where we have to start, from which 0. Suppose if I am asking 30 degree means here also it is 30 degree and here also it is 30 degree. Okay, so you will get the confusion which 30 we have to mark. So that I will give the hint for you. If the line segment is divided into two, that is left side and the right side, if you keep the productor, that is the middle point should be merged, that is coincide with that point D, and the baseline, that is this baseline should be coincide with the DE line segment. Yes, can you able to see? So if whether I kept the productor in the left side means I have to start from the right side 0. So 0, 10, 20 like that you have to start. If I kept the productor in the right side means you have to start from the left side 0. Okay, I hope each and everyone had the clear idea. So if I kept the in the left side means I have to start from the right side 0. If I kept the right side means I have to start from the left side 0. So I have is D is the D is in the left side, so I have to start from the right side 0. So whether it is the 90 degree means I am not having any problem. So fix the 90 degree. Okay, so now I just draw one ray, extend the 2 points. So this is one ray. So from D to F I am having 3 cm. So for that measurement I have to use the the compass. Measure it with the 3 cm and draw the arc which cuts the ray. Keep the needle at D and draw an arc that which cuts the ray at one point. Yes, so that is the intersection of the arc and that ray. So that point is marked as F. Now join EF. So this angle should be a 90 degree. Yes, here we have the triangle of DEF as a right angle triangle. Now I move on for the next problem. In the next problem they given in the question itself. See the question, construct an isosceles triangle in which the length of each of its equal side is 6.5 cm and the angle between them is 110 degree. Okay, so already I said that isosceles triangle means it is having the two sides are equal. Okay, so that we can able to see the two sides are given and attached with angle between them is. So in between that two sides we have to include one angle. So what type of criterion it is? That is SAS criterion, side angle side. First we have to draw the side, after that we have to finish the arc, after that we have to complete the next side of the triangle. Okay, now let's go for the rough sketch. Draw one triangle with your okay, so this is one triangle. I choose any type of triangle. So I hope this question is not having any naming, so I just mark that as ABC. Okay, so I have to complete the measurement on it. Okay, 6 AB is 6.5 centimeters. See here, in between the two sides only the angle should be present. So this side and this side means 6.5 centimeter and 6.5 centimeter as a side, and the angles is lies between the two sides, so it will be 110 degrees. So see here, this is side and angle and side. First we have to finish the line segment of 6.5 centimeter. Draw the baseline of 6.5 centimeter. This is the baseline of 6.5 centimeter. After that I have to measure. First I finish the side, after that I move on to the angle. Okay, for the angle I have to use the protractor. So here I am just going to use the left side of the line segment. So I have to start from the right side 0. So this middle line should be fixed with that B point, and this baseline exactly merged with that line segment BC. See here, I have to start from the right side 0. Why? And just keep the protractor in the left side, so I have to start from the right side 0. So now it is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 and 110. So here the 110. Now I just join these two point and extend that 2 point as a ray. Okay, now using the compass, so I finished the angle. Now I move on to the next side. So I finished this side and the angle. Now I have to do the 6.5. So for that I am using the protractor 6.5. Extend the pencil tip till 6.5. Okay, keep the needle at B. Draw an arc. Okay, so draw an arc. The arc and that ray meeting at one point, so that point is a A. Okay, join AC. Now it is 6.5 centimeter and this angle should be 110 degree. Yes, have you all understand? So the third problem in the question they are given is a very easy problem, so that you can do that in your own. Thank you.